Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am David.
Hi friends, we are so happy you are here today. I am Alice.
And I am David. How are you doing today, Alice?
I am doing very well, David. I am excited to talk with our friends today. We have a very important topic.
Yes, we do. It is a very, very important topic. Today, we are talking about life.
Life, yes. We will talk about how to live a good life.
And more importantly, we will talk about how not to waste your life. The topic today is, don't waste your life.
Don't waste your life? That sounds a little scary, David.
It is not scary. It is actually very positive. It means we want to help you enjoy every single day.
I love that. Every day is a gift. Before we start, if you want to learn English with us, please click the like button.
Yes, please like this video. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more videos for you.
You can listen to us while you cook, while you drive, or while you relax at home. Just listen, relax, and learn.
Okay, Alice, are you ready to start?
I am ready. Let's talk about it. David, I have a question for you. For our beginner learners, what does the word waste mean?
That is a great question, Alice. Waste means to use something in a bad way. It means you throw something away for no reason.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, think about food. If you buy an apple, but you do not eat it, the apple gets old and bad. Then you throw the apple in the garbage.
Oh, I see. You threw away good food. You wasted the food.
Exactly. You wasted the food. You used it in a bad way.
So we can waste food. We can waste water. Can we waste money too?
Yes, if you buy many things you do not need, you waste your money.
Okay, I understand now. But today we are talking about life. How do we waste life?
Well, life is made of time, days, hours, and minutes. If you waste your time, you waste your life.
Wow, that is very true. Time is life.
Yes, so don't waste your life means don't waste your time. Use your time in a good way.
Let's talk about daily life. How do people waste their time every day? I know I waste time sometimes.
We all do. It is normal, but we can try to be better. I think the biggest way people waste time is with the phone.
Oh yes, the smartphone. It is a big problem.
We look at our phones all day. We look at funny videos. We look at photos of other people.
I do that. Sometimes I sit on the sofa. I look at my phone for 5 minutes, but then I look at the clock, and 1 hour has passed.
Yes, 1 hour is gone. Poof! Where did the time go?
It is a waste of time. Looking at the phone for a few minutes is okay, but looking at the phone for 2 hours is a waste of time.
Exactly. You are just sitting. You are not learning. You are not moving your body. You are wasting your time.
What is another way people waste their lives, David?
I think sleeping too much can be a waste of life.
Sleeping too much? But David, sleep is very important. We need to sleep to be healthy.
You are right, Alice. Sleep is very, very important. We need 7 or 8 hours of sleep every night.
Yes, good sleep makes you feel happy and strong.
But some people sleep for 10 or 12 hours every day. Or they stay in bed all morning. They wake up at noon.
Oh, I understand. If you wake up at 12 p.m., half of the day is already gone.
Yes, the morning is a beautiful time. You can see the sun. You can drink tea or coffee. You can plan your day. If you sleep all morning, you miss the morning.
You miss the morning. That is a nice way to say it. Waking up early is a good habit.
A habit is something you do every day. Waking up early is a very good habit.
Okay, so watching the phone too much is bad. Sleeping too much is bad. What about watching TV?
Watching TV is the same. A little TV is okay. Maybe one movie with your family.
Yes, watching a funny movie on Friday night is nice.
But if you watch TV from morning to night, if you sit on the sofa all day, that is wasting your life.
Because you are not doing anything real. You are just watching other people do things on the screen.
Exactly, Alice. You said it perfectly. You are watching other people live their lives. You are not living your life.
That is a very strong message, David. We need to live our own lives.
Yes, so we know how to waste life. Now let's talk about the good things. How can we use our time well?
How can we not waste our lives?
Right. What are some good things we can do every day?
I think learning something new is a great way to use your time.
I agree 100%. Learning is never a waste of time.
For example, our friends watching this video right now, they are learning English.
Yes, hello to everyone listening. You are doing a great job. You are not wasting your time. You are learning a language.
Learning English takes time. It is slow, but it is very good for your brain.
It helps you talk to new people. It helps you find a better job. It helps you travel.
So, learning English is a great habit. What else can we learn, David?
You can learn how to cook. Cooking is a very good use of time.
I love cooking. When you cook, you make healthy food for your family.
Yes, some people buy fast food every day. Fast food is quick, but it is bad for your health.
And it is expensive. If you cook at home, you save money, and you eat healthy food.
Health is very important. Actually, I think taking care of your health is the best way to not waste your life.
Let's talk about health. If you are sick, you cannot enjoy life.
That is true. If you feel bad, you cannot work. You cannot play with your children. You cannot travel.
So, how do we take care of our health with our time?
We can exercise. Exercise is a great habit.
Do I need to go to a big gym and lift heavy things?
No. You do not need a gym. You can just walk.
Walking? Just simple walking?
Yes, just open your door and walk outside. Walk for 30 minutes every day.
I love walking. You can see the trees, you can breathe fresh air, you can look at the sky.
Walking makes your heart strong. It makes your mind feel calm. It is a beautiful way to spend time.
Notice the words David used, friends. He said, spend time.
Ah, yes, good point, Alice.
We say waste time when we do bad things, but we say spend time when we do good things.
Exactly. You waste time on your phone. You spend time walking in the park.
That is a very good English lesson for our listeners.
Okay, Alice. What is another way to spend time well?
Spending time with family and friends.
Oh, yes, the people we love.
Sometimes we work too much. We are always busy. I am busy. I have to work. I have to make money.
Yes, money is important. We need money to buy food and pay for our house.
But money is not everything. If you have a lot of money but no friends, you will be sad.
That is very true. You should stop working sometimes. Have dinner with your mother. Call your father on the phone.
Play games with your children. Ask them, how was your day at school?
Laugh with your friends. Drink coffee together and talk.
Talking and laughing with friends is never a waste of time. It makes our hearts full.
You know, Alice, I made a mistake when I was younger.
What mistake did you make, David?
When I was in my 20s, I only worked. I wanted to be very successful. I worked on weekends, I worked at night.
Did you make a lot of money?
I made money, yes, but I was very tired, and I did not see my friends. I did not go to parties. I did not travel.
You missed the fun parts of life.
I did. I wasted those years because I only focused on work. Now I know that balance is important.
Balance. That is a great word. Balance means not too much of one thing and not too little.
Right. Work, but also play. Save money, but also enjoy today.
That is a wonderful lesson, David. Thank you for sharing your story.
It is okay to make mistakes. We learn from our mistakes.
Yes, some of our English learners are afraid to make mistakes. They think, if I speak English and make a mistake, people will laugh.
Do not be afraid. Making a mistake is not a waste of time. It is how you learn.
When you make a mistake speaking English, you learn the right way to say it.
Even native speakers make mistakes. I make mistakes. Alice makes mistakes.
I make many mistakes. It is part of life.
So, to our friends listening, speak English. Do not be quiet. Try to speak. It is the best way to improve.
David, some people might say, I am too old to learn new things. My life is already going.
Oh, I hear that a lot. I am 50 years old. It is too late. I am 60 years old. It is a waste of time.
Is it too late, David?
Never. It is never too late. You are never too old to learn a new habit.
If you are 60 years old, you can still learn English. You can still learn to paint. You can still start walking every day.
Exactly. As long as you are breathing, you have time. Do not waste the time you have today.
Today is a fresh start. You can change your life today.
You do not need to change everything in one day. Start small.
What is a small start?
For example, do not say, I will never look at my phone again. That is impossible.
Yes, we need our phones.
Instead, say, tonight I will turn off my phone for 1 hour before sleep.
Oh, that is easy. 1 hour is a small step.
Yes, and instead of saying, I will exercise for 2 hours, just say, I will walk for 10 minutes today.
Small steps build good habits. Over time, 10 minutes becomes 20 minutes.
And 20 minutes becomes 30 minutes. Before you know it, you are not wasting your life. You are living it well.
This is a very inspiring conversation, David. Let's do a quick review of the good habits we talked about.
That is a great idea, Alice. It will help our listeners remember.
Habit number 1. Learn something new every day, like English.
Very good. Habit number 2. Take care of your health. Walk outside and cook healthy food.
Habit number 3. Spend time with family and friends. Laugh and talk with them.
And habit number 4. Find a balance. Do not work all the time. Enjoy your life.
Perfect. Now, let's ask our listeners some questions.
Friends, we will ask you a question. Please pause the video or just think about your answer. Answer out loud if you can.
Here is the first question. Are you ready?
Question 1. What is one thing you do that wastes your time?
Maybe it is watching too much TV? Maybe it is sleeping late? Think about it.
Question 2. What is one new good habit you want to start today?
Maybe walking? Maybe reading a book? Tell yourself your answer right now.
Great job, everyone. Thinking about your life is the first step to making it better.
Now, let's practice our speaking. We will repeat some important phrases from today's lesson.
I will say the phrase slowly. Alice will say it slowly. Then you say it out loud wherever you are.
Even if you are on the train, you can whisper it.
Ready? Let's go. Phrase 1. Don't waste your time.
Don't waste your time.
Good. Next phrase. Spend time with family.
Spend time with family.
Great. Next phrase. I want to build good habits.
I want to build good habits.
Last one. It is never too late to learn.
It is never too late to learn. Excellent job, everyone. Your pronunciation is getting better and better.
Yes, every time you listen and repeat, your English improves. You are definitely not wasting your time here with us.
We love spending time with you. It is our favorite part of the day.
Remember, life is short, but it is beautiful. Enjoy the small things. Drink a nice cup of tea. Look at the sky. Smile at a stranger.
Be kind to yourself. If you waste a little time today, it is okay. Try again tomorrow.
Very true, Alice. Tomorrow is always a new day.
We are at the end of our lesson today, David.
It went by so fast. Before we go, we have a small task for you, our friends in the comments.
Yes, we want to read from you. Please tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to spend your free time?
Good question. Do you like to read? Do you like to cook? Do you play sports? Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one.
And if you liked this conversation, please subscribe and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't waste your life.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.